That is a menu that screams comfort food, though I'll warn you, your kitchen is about to smell incredible. We're going for deep, earthy flavors with the brisket and a best of both worlds approach to the kugel. Since you're looking for chef-level results without the 48-hour stress cycle, here is your streamlined game plan. 1. Coffee-Braised Brisket. The acidity in the coffee acts as a natural tenderizer, while the sugars create a dark, savory crust. The meat. 4.5 lb brisket flat, well marbled. The rub. Equal parts kosher salt, coarse black pepper, and smoked paprika. The Braise. 2 cups strong brewed black coffee, 1 cup beef stock, 1 4-cup balsamic vinegar, 4 cloves smashed garlic, and 2 sliced onions. The method: sear, season the meat heavily. In a Dutch oven, sear the brisket in oil until a deep brown crust forms on both sides. Remove meat. Sauté, throw in the onions and garlic until soft. Deglaze, pour in the coffee and balsamic, scraping the bottom of the pot to get those flavor bits. Low and slow, put the meat back in. Cover and bake at 150 degrees to 300 degrees for about 3.5 to 4 hours. The secret: let it cool in the liquid before slicing. It prevents the meat from shredding and keeps it juicy. 2. Indulgent challah. For that indulgent texture, we're upping the fat content, egg yolks, and using honey for moisture. Ingredients: bread flour 500 gram, warm water 180 milliliters, active dry yeast 214 tsp, honey 80 gram, large eggs 2 whole plus 2 yolks, vegetable oil 60 millino, salt 1 tsp. The method: bloom. Mix yeast, water, and a pinch of honey. Wait for foam. Mix. Combine everything else. Knead until smooth and elastic, about 8 mins by mixer. Rise. Let it double in size, 1-2 hours. Braid. Do a 3 or 4 strand braid. The chef. Finish. Brush with egg wash twice, once right after braiding, and again right before it hits the oven at 175 degrees, 350 degrees, for 25-30 minutes. 3. The varied noodle kugel. To make this varied and easy, we use a base custard and split it into 2 styles, sweet and savory casio. The base: 1 lb wide egg noodles, cooked, 4 eggs, 1 to 2 cup melted butter, 1 cup sour cream. Option A, sweet, the classic. Fold in 1 cup cottage cheese, 1 2-cup sugar, and a dash of cinnamon. Top with crushed cornflakes and brown sugar. Option B, savory casio, the modern. Fold in 1 cup grated pecorino romano and 1 TBSP coarse black pepper. Top with extra cheese and breadcrumbs. The method: bake both, in separate small dishes or one divided large dish, at 175 degrees, 350 degrees, for 45 minutes until the top is golden crisp. Pro tip for timing: make the brisket a day early. It actually tastes better on day 2, and it makes slicing much cleaner. You can then use the oven on day 0 exclusively for the challah and kugel.